Hello guys and welcome to Login Aid. So today in this video we will learn how to redeem Sephora gift card online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a preferred web browser and on the search box type www.sephora.com and press enter. Now you will be redirected to the official site of Sephora. Go to the right top and you would get to see the sign in option. Click on it. Now here, sign into your account providing your email address and your password that are associated with your account. If you want to stay logged in or signed in, then you can take this radio button right here. Or if you in case have forgotten your password, then you can click on this forgot password hypertext over here and go through the process to recover it. Or if you haven't created your Sephora account yet, then you can click on this create account option and go through the registration process. And after you provide the credentials, click on sign in button. As you can see that now we are signed in. After you sign in, again go to your profile, click it, and locate account settings and click it. From the account information on the left side, select payments and credit. Now here to check your gift card balance, enter your card number that are located behind your gift card that includes 16 digits, and after that enter a code or PIN as well. Then click on this check button. Once you check your gift card balance and with the sufficient balance you will be able to purchase products. So for that, click on this new at the top row and here you can see the products. Now let me choose this product right here. So you just need to click on the product. Now after you select the product, what you need to do is locate add to basket button right here and click on it. With this, your product will be added to your cart or basket, and after this, click on this checkout shipped items. Now for the checkout, you will have to enter some credentials that includes your shipping address, your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your street address, and your zip code or your postal code. If you want to select a location near you, then click on this select a location near you hypertext and go through the process and click save and continue. Now on the next step, enter your delivery and gift options and after that your payment method. On the payment method, click on this edit at the right and here you'll get to see many methods you can pay through. So what you need to do is click on this add gift card. Now here enter your 16-digit gift card number that is located at the back of your card and then enter your PIN as well and click on this apply button right here. And with this, from your gift card balance, your balance will be deducted according to the product that you have purchased. Now click on save and continue button. So this is a wrap up for this video guys. I really hope that the video was helpful for you all and you guys liked the video. If you guys found the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.